Uh, Rishad Mohammed, he's partnered and business development manager at Seacon. He's a mechanical engineer by profession. He is in Qatar for the last 10 years. Rishad owns a fiberglass production manufacturing facility in Qatar. Since 2014, Rishad is a group member of, proud member of BNI and joined our Phoenix family in 2020. He is the ex-ambassador for the Pioneers chapter and has been elected as a member of the year in 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Rishad Mohammed from Seacon. Over to you, Rishad. You may share your screen and start your presentation.
Thank you, Ajo, for a great introduction. Good morning, Phoenix again. Myself, Rishad Mohammed, representing fiberglass category in this chapter. My company is called Seacon. Basically, I'm a mechanical engineer by profession, and I have a post-graduation in oil and gas flow measurements, which was from the Fluid Control Research Institute under the Ministry of Heavy Industries, India. My journey of in BNI in 2014, I became one of the founding member of BNI Pioneers, and 2018 I was awarded as Givers Gain Award. In 2018, I was appointed as the director consultant for BNI Pioneers. In 2019, I got a couple of awards like Givers Gain Award, Best Support Director Award, and Member of the Year Award. And in 2020, I joined Phoenix chapter. About my family, my wife, Linda Sar, she's an HR professional, and I have two kids, Ishal Zain and Ethan Zain. Coming back to Seacon, we are a fiberglass product manufacturing company founded in 2013, but into full operation in fiberglass in 2017. We cater to different industries like oil and gas, petrochemical, road, utility, infrastructure, sewage, automobile, landscaping, agriculture with different fiberglass products. About our core value, we value integrity, safety, quality, and innovation. Our vision: be the leader of most innovative and reliable composite solutions. Our mission is to offer composite products and services, meeting client expectation with high quality, keeping health and safety standards, growing through innovation and profitability to every stakeholder. Most people ask, what is fiberglass? Actually, fiberglass is a composite product made from glass fiber and resin. It's a chemical. And we make these kind of fiberglass products. And why fiberglass or GRP is used against metal, wood, or concrete? Fiberglass have a very good properties like it's high temperature resistance, water resistance, it is resistance to UV, and even low temperature. It is high strength and chemical resistance, and its durability is much higher than any other products. These are the main reasons people prefer fiberglass. About our services, we do manufacturing, we do composite repair. Composite repair is same as fiberglass repair services. We do lamination services, we do GRP fiberglass piping services, and we do corrosion protection. While telling about the manufacturing, we have a manufacturing facility in industry area. We make different fiberglass products. Composite repair is for the oil and gas pipelines. And we do lining services to protect the manholes and tanks to prevent from concrete corrosions. We do GRP piping works. We do install, repair, and rehabilitate fiberglass pipes. And we do some corrosion protection services. We do some advanced composite wrapping, polymer coating, and corrosion resistant materials. Also, we have multiple principles from Germany and US. Our main core business is production, and we make different kind of products like enclosures, instrumentation products, fire and safety, roofing products, road and infra, architectural, planters for the landscaping industry, and custom-made products. GRP enclosures is one of the products we make. This is for the solar industries. We make battery boxes. For the water and electricity sector, we make metering cabinets. And for the low voltage and high voltage, medium voltage industry, we make SCADA system enclosures. We make kiosks for the substations and capacitor banks. Why we prefer GRP is, as I told, it is UV resistant, it is fire retardant, weatherproof, anti-static properties, it is electric resistant and thermal resistant. Another range of products is enclosures. We make metering enclosures and canopies for the instrument protection. And next segment is fire and safety. We make cabinets for the fire extinguishers. We make safety cabinets and fire extinguisher stands. These stands are used for the where we have to keep the extinguisher, but we cannot drill on the wall. If it's a glass wall or a temporary wall, we cannot drill on the wall. So we use this kind of stands. Roofing products is another product range. We make skylights for the passage of skylights for the warehouse, factories, and storage areas, and even garages. We make corrugated sheets, roof curbs for fitting fans on the roof. We make downspout gutters for the fluid drainage and passage. And in the road infrastructure industry, we make sealing plates for the manholes. We make a gully basket to trap the solid particle collection. We are supplying manhole covers, fiberglass, and we do ladder and handrail GRP. Another range of products is in the architecture industry. We make domes for the most commercial buildings, palace and villas. We make decorative panels, Mashrabi elements, and assorted elements like gargoyles or any kind of features in for the buildings. And for the landscaping industry, we make planter pots. We make customized flower pots for not only for the landscaping industry, for the new hotel projects, public places, offices, schools as well. Customized flower pots. And custom-made shapes also we can make. We make fiberglass bike delivery boxes, custom shapes, canopies. This is a canopy for water cooler, seats, anything in fiber. These are our market, and I would like to display some projects we did recently. We are approved by Ashkal. We did a whole lamination services for the Wakra Road and Infrastructure project. We do the complete lamination for sewage manholes. We are approved by Umulhal Power Plant. We did installation of GRP gratings and checker plates there. QRail, we are approved. We supplied and installed GRP lamination for their manholes and gully basket. We are also approved by Supreme Committee. We supplied our products to Al Bayt Stadium. This is one of the major projects recently we did for Supreme Committee. These structures are not wood. We made the fiber in wooden texture, and we designed, fabricated, and installed this complete structure. This is in a Khalifa Stadium parking. Hope you might have seen this structure in Cornish near to Q Post and the Q Rail station. We supplied these pots. We designed and we custom fabricated these pots with a spider bracket embedded inside. So these are the type of projects we doing for the landscaping industry, and we are making domes for the buildings, villas, and mosque especially. We had recently we did for a Tumama mosque for Awqaf.
One more minute, Rashad.
We make custom-made products like gargoyles. We supplied this for Katara Hospitality, Azayam restaurant. And best referral for me is like wherever landscaping companies, oil and gas contractors, civil contractors, firefighting contractors, solar contractors, warehouse projects, mosque, villa projects, fit out contractors, new hotel projects. Wherever you visit or deal with any of these contractors and projects, it's a referral for me, because fiberglass have application of different products and services in almost all industries. That's all. Thank you for the opportunity, LT. Thank you again.